In this video, we will cover the fundamentals of ITIL, ITSM, ITAM modules, and integrations, as well as the CMDB and ITAM lifecycle, addressing the most commonly asked questions along with their answers. Additionally, we will preview other topics to be discussed in the upcoming video Part 2. What is ITIL? And why is ITIL important for organizations? ITIL, Information Technology Infrastructure Library, is a set of best practices for IT service management, ITSM, that focuses on aligning IT services with the needs of businesses. ITIL provides a systematic approach to managing IT services, aiming to deliver value to customers and maintain a minimum level of competency. It covers various aspects of IT services, including strategy, design, transition, operation, and continual improvement. Here's why ITIL is important for organizations. Improved service delivery. ITIL promotes standardized processes for handling incidents, problems, changes, and other aspects of IT service management. This leads to a more streamlined and efficient delivery of IT services. Cost optimization. By implementing ITIL practices, organizations can better track and manage IT costs associated with services and resources. Business alignment. ITIL emphasizes aligning IT services with the strategic objectives of the business. This ensures that IT is not just providing services but actively contributing to the organization's success. What are the key benefits of implementing ITIL in an organization? Key benefits of implementing ITIL. Enhanced customer satisfaction. Standardized processes ensure consistent and reliable IT services, leading to happier customers, both internal and external. Reduced downtime. ITIL's focus on proactive problem management helps identify and address potential issues before they cause major disruptions. Improved communication. Clear processes and procedures promote better communication within the IT department and between IT and the business. Can you explain the 5 core ITIL service lifecycle stages? ITIL outlines 5 core stages that services go throughout their lifecycle. 1. Service strategy. This stage involves defining the overall IT service vision, including what services will be offered and how they will meet business needs. 2. Service design. Here, the detailed design of the IT services takes place, including architecture, capacity planning, and security considerations. 3. Service transition. This stage focuses on planning, testing, and deploying the designed services into the live environment. 4. Service operation. This is the ongoing management of the live IT services, ensuring they meet agreed-upon service levels. 5. Continual service improvement, CSI. This stage involves constantly monitoring and evaluating IT services to identify areas for improvement and ensure they remain aligned with business needs. What are the core components of ITIL? ITIL is not a rigid set of rules, it provides a flexible framework with several core components, including processes. ITIL defines specific processes for managing IT services, such as incident management, problem management, change management, and more. Functions. ITIL includes various functions, such as the service desk, technical management, IT operations management, and application management, which carry out the processes. Roles. ITIL outlines roles and responsibilities necessary for implementing the processes, such as service owners, process owners, and managers. Tools and technology. ITIL emphasizes the importance of tools and technology in supporting ITIL processes, like service management software, monitoring tools, and configuration management databases, CMDB. Best practices. ITIL is built on industry best practices, providing a set of guidelines for IT service management. How does ITIL help in aligning IT services with business needs? ITIL helps align IT services with business needs by providing a structured framework that ensures IT initiatives and services are strategically planned, customer-focused, and continuously monitored and improved to meet business objectives effectively and efficiently. What is the role of the service desk in ITIL? The service desk is the single point of contact between users and the IT organization. It handles incidents, service requests, and provides information and support to users, ensuring timely resolution and communication. What is the difference between a service request and an incident? Service request. A service request is a formal or informal user request for a service or access. This could include resetting passwords, requesting software installation, or moving a desk with a computer setup. Incident. An incident is an unexpected disruption to an IT service that affects business operations or user productivity. This could be a system outage, application malfunction, or hardware failure. Explain the concept of service level agreements, SLAs. Service level agreements, SLAs, are formal agreements between IT and the business that define the expected performance of IT services. SLAs typically outline metrics like response time, the time it takes to acknowledge a user-reported incident. Resolution time, the time it takes to resolve an incident and restore normal service. Availability, the uptime percentage guaranteed for a particular service. What is the purpose of incident management in ITL? Incident management aims to restore normal service operation as quickly as possible, minimizing the impact on business operations. It focuses on resolving incidents promptly, communicating with stakeholders, and identifying underlying problems to prevent recurrence. What are the key processes in CSI? The key processes in continual service improvement, CSI, include identifying opportunities for improvement, defining measurable improvement objectives, implementing improvements, reviewing and analyzing results, making further adjustments based on feedback. Can you explain PDSA, Plan Do Study Act, cycle? The Plan Do Study Act, PDCA, cycle is a continuous improvement model used in various ITL processes, including incident management. It involves a four-step approach. Plan, analyze current processes, identify areas for improvement, and define a plan for change. Do, implement the planned changes on a small scale. Study, monitor the results of the implemented changes and assess their effectiveness. Act, based on the study, standardize successful changes, abandon ineffective ones, and refine the plan for further improvement. The PDCA cycle promotes a data-driven approach to IT service management, ensuring continuous learning and adaptation for better service delivery. How can collaboration between IT operations and security operations teams be fostered through ITL practices? Establishing clear communication channels and shared objectives. Implementing processes such as incident management and problem management that involve both teams in resolving security incidents and vulnerabilities. Conducting joint training sessions and workshops to build mutual understanding and trust. Implementing tools and technologies that facilitate information sharing and collaboration. How can ITL be integrated with other IT service management frameworks? ITL can be integrated with other frameworks through identifying common goals and processes between frameworks. Mapping ITL processes to corresponding processes in other frameworks. Adopting a hybrid approach that leverages the strengths of each framework while minimizing duplication. Implementing interoperable tools and technologies that support multiple frameworks. Share an example of how you've used ITL practices to improve IT service delivery. In my previous role, we implemented ITL incident management processes to streamline the resolution of IT incidents. By categorizing incidents, prioritizing based on impact and urgency, and establishing clear escalation paths, we significantly reduced downtime and improved customer satisfaction. For instance, our average incident resolution time decreased by 30% within the first 6 months of implementation, leading to tangible improvements in service reliability and business continuity. Next topics is ITSM. What is ITSM and how is it related to ITL? ITSM stands for Information Technology Service Management, which refers to the implementation and management of IT services to meet the needs of an organization. ITL, or Information Technology Infrastructure Library, is a framework that provides best practices for ITSM. ITL offers a structured approach to managing IT services, covering various aspects such as service strategy, design, transition, operation, and continual improvement. Therefore, ITSM is the broader concept of managing IT services, while ITL provides specific guidance and practices within the ITSM framework. Can you explain the difference between ITSM and ITL? ITSM encompasses the entire set of activities, processes, and tools involved in managing IT services within an organization. It includes the strategic, tactical, and operational aspects of delivering IT services. On the other hand, ITL is a specific framework that offers best practices and guidelines for implementing ITSM. ITL provides a structured approach and detailed processes for managing IT services, while ITSM is the overarching discipline that encompasses various frameworks, methodologies, and practices. What are the key processes of ITSM? The key processes of ITSM typically include incident management, managing unplanned interruptions or disruptions to IT services. Problem management, identifying and resolving the root causes of recurring incidents. Change management, controlling the lifecycle of all changes to IT infrastructure and services. Service level management, negotiating, defining, and monitoring service level agreements, SLAs, with customers. Service desk request fulfillment, providing a single point of contact for users to request IT services or report incidents. Configuration management, managing configuration items, CIs, and their relationships in a configuration management database, CMDB. What is the role of the service desk in IT service management? The service desk acts as the central point of contact for users within ITSM. It functions as the first line of defense for resolving user issues and requests. Here are some key responsibilities. Logging and categorizing incidents, service requests, and questions. Providing initial troubleshooting and solutions. Escalating complex issues to appropriate teams. Tracking the resolution process and keeping users informed. Maintaining a knowledge base of solutions for future reference. How do ITSM tools support ITL processes? ITSM tools are designed to automate and streamline IT service management processes, helping organizations implement ITL best practices more effectively. These tools typically offer functionalities such as incident management, problem management, change management, service catalog management, and CMDB capabilities. By providing a centralized platform for managing IT services, ITSM tools enable better visibility, control, and coordination of ITL processes. They also support performance monitoring, reporting, and continuous improvement efforts within the ITSM framework. Next topic is ITOM. What is ITOM and how does it fit within the ITL framework? ITOM, or IT Operations Management, refers to the set of processes, tools, and practices used to manage the provisioning, monitoring, and maintenance of IT infrastructure and services. ITOM plays a crucial role within the ITL framework by supporting the service operations stage. It provides the necessary capabilities to ensure that IT services are delivered effectively and efficiently, helping to minimize disruptions and maintain service quality. Describe some common ITOM modules and their functions. Common ITOM modules. Monitoring, tools that track the performance and health of IT infrastructure, servers, networks, applications. Event management, collecting and analyzing system events to identify and troubleshoot potential issues. Provisioning and configuration management, automating the provisioning and configuration of IT resources. Capacity management, monitoring resource utilization and planning for future capacity needs. Patch management, deploying software updates and security patches to systems. Next topic is CMDB and ITAM. What is a CMDB and why is it important in ITL? A CMDB, or Configuration Management Database, is a centralized database that contains information about all configuration items, CIs, in an organization's IT infrastructure. It provides a comprehensive view of the relationships and dependencies between CIs, helping to ensure accurate and efficient management of IT services. A CMDB is important in ITL because it serves as the foundation for various ITL processes such as change management, incident management, and problem management. How do you maintain the accuracy of a CMDB? Maintaining the accuracy of a CMDB involves processes such as regular discovery, conducting periodic discovery scans to identify new CIs and updates to existing ones. Configuration control, implementing controls to manage changes to CIs and ensuring that all changes are recorded and updated in the CMDB. Validation and verification, performing regular audits and checks to validate the accuracy and completeness of CMDB data. Collaboration, encouraging collaboration between different IT teams to ensure that all relevant information is captured and updated in the CMDB. What are the stages of the IT asset management lifecycle? ITOM, IT asset management, lifecycle stages. Acquisition, planning and procuring new IT assets, hardware, software, licenses. Inventory and deployment, tracking and deploying IT assets to users. Operation and maintenance, managing and maintaining assets throughout their lifecycle. Servicing and support, providing ongoing support and troubleshooting for users. Retirement and disposal, decommissioning and disposing of IT assets at the end of their useful life. How does ITM contribute to overall IT governance? ITOM contributes to overall IT governance by providing visibility and control over IT assets throughout their lifecycle. By effectively managing IT assets, organizations can ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, optimize resource allocation, mitigate risks, and improve cost efficiency. ITOM helps organizations make informed decisions about asset acquisition, utilization, and retirement, aligning IT investments with business objectives and priorities. Explain the relationship between CMDB and ITAM. The CMDB and ITAM are closely related components within the ITIL framework. The CMDB serves as a repository of configuration data, including information about IT assets. ITAM processes and activities, such as asset discovery, tracking, and management, contribute to the accuracy and completeness of CMDB data. Conversely, the CMDB provides valuable context and visibility into the relationships between different IT assets, helping to support ITM activities such as asset lifecycle management and compliance tracking. Together, CMDB and ITAM form integral parts of an organization's IT service management and governance practices, facilitating effective decision-making and resource management. The next part of the video will focus on ITBM, ITL operations, security operations, incident management, project and delivery management, change management in ITL, ITL risk management processes, and ITL problem management. It will cover the most commonly asked interview questions related to these topics, along with their corresponding answers.